Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to cut out a background of a photo in Capcut. So before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and like this video as it really helps this channel a lot. In this video, I'll show you how to change the background or basically cut you out of a photo and paste you on a video. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and tap on New Project. Let's go ahead and take a video. So for example, this one here, tap Add. Now next, we'll go ahead and tap on Overlay from the bottom, tap Add Overlay. So here, we'll go ahead and take this picture and add it to a video. So as you can see, our picture has been added. However, there's a background on it and I really don't like that. So to remove that background and get a cutout of yourself, go ahead and select that picture from the bottom, swipe left until you see Remove BG. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on Chroma key. Go ahead and select the color where you want to remove. So for example, this one here, we'll go ahead and change the intensity. Then we'll go ahead and tap on Tick. And now that image has been added to your video without the background. Now when you press play, you'll see that image without the background and it will be a cutout of that image. So there you go guys. That is how to change the background of a photo in Capcut.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.